Hello everybody. In this lecture I am going to solve 2001 Macao Olympiad problem, and in this problem we are given a big circle with center O and radius capital R, a circle B with radius 2r, and two circles with center A and A dash and radius small r, and these circles touches each other, and we are given the diagram and we have to find out the ratio small r upon capital R. Okay, now I am going to solve this problem. In the red line, clearly the red line is a common tangent line, which is also known as the internal tangent of these two circles A and A dash. We can also say that the red line is the radical axis of these two smaller circles, and by the symmetry we can say that the center of the two remaining circle, that is point O and B, also lie on this red line. Now if we join the center O with center A and extended it, and suppose that this point of intersection with the big circle is P, and if we suppose the point of contact of these two smaller circle is M, and also connect the point B to the point A. Okay, now the circle with center O and circle with center A touches internally. Therefore the condition is what? When two circles touches internally, then distance between their center is the difference of is equal to the difference of their radii. So clearly we can write what is the distance OA equals to difference of their radii, that is R minus R, and the circle with a center B and the circle with center A touches externally, and the condition of external touch is what? The distance between the center is equal to sum of their radii. One radius is 2r and another circle has radius r, that is AB is what? 3r. Okay, now using triangle, using a right angle triangle OMA, we can write OM square equals to OA square minus AM square. But OA square is what? R minus R square, and AM is what? AM is the radius of the smaller circle. Therefore we can write OM square is what? R square minus 2RR. Okay, next we will consider the right angle triangle AMB. Using triangle AMB, again we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Therefore we can write MB square. MB square is equals to what? AB square minus AM square. But what is AB? AB is 3R. Therefore square of AB becomes 9R square, minus AM is what? The radius of the smaller circle. This will imply what is MB? MB square, that is 8R square. Okay, now if we consider the point of contact of the two big circle is N, therefore we can write Mn in two different ways. We can write Mn as Mo plus On, and again we can write Mn equals to Mb plus Bn, and these two statement implies Mo plus On is what? Mo is here root under R square minus 2RR plus On. On is the radius of the bigger circle, that is capital R, and this is equals to MB. What is MB? What is the length of MB? The length of MB is 2 root 2R plus Bn. What is the length of Bn? Bn is a small r. Okay, we can write the value of we can write the amount of R square minus 2RR is equals to what? r square minus 2rr is what taken. If we take 2r common, then this becomes root 2 plus 1 minus r. Okay, and root of r square minus 2rr is what? This is actually the length of poem. This is the length of poem. Okay, next is squaring both sides. What we can write? R square minus 2rr is equals to 4r square into 3 plus 2 root 2 plus r square minus 4rr into root 2 plus 1. R square is cancel out. Okay, if r square is cancel out, then we can also cancel small r as well. Okay, now now shifting term of capital R to the left hand side, we can write 4r into root 2 plus 1 minus 2r equals to 4r 3 plus 2 root 2 divide by 2 as well. Okay, taking r common from left hand side, we can write 2 root 2 plus 1 equal to small r into 3 plus 2 root 2. Move to the free space, we can write small r by capital R equals to what? 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, using the conjugate of denominator, 2 root 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. Sorry, 2 is missing here. 2 is definitely missing here. Okay, no problem. Now in numerator, what it takes the value 2 3 is 6 root 2, 6 root 2 minus 8 plus 3 minus 2 root 2 upon what is going to be happen in denominator? 3 3 is 9 minus 8, that becomes 1 2. Okay, 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2 become 2 root 2 becomes 4 root 2 minus 5 upon 2. Yeah, that's great. Therefore the ratio r upon r is what? Finally the ratio r upon r is what? 4 root 2 minus 5 upon 2.